and it's windy here in Long Beach, California.
Power out.
Our power is completely out.
For like an hour now.
Nasty.
Irritating.
We had nothing but rain all night, but now it's been cleared out. I mean, look at that beautiful blue sky, right? Not bad, but the power is knocked out because of this wind. So anyways, if this makes it to Facebook or YouTube or whoever wants to see this, Kevin Lynn here in Long Beach on a Sunday afternoon. Cheers. Yeah, that's right. Happy day after St. Patrick's Day. Yeah, cool. Alright, and we just peacing out. There we go. Oh wait, American flag. Because yeah, we're in America. And look at, here's our cow grazing out the grass. Get some more. Anyways, yeah, it's like our front lawn. A little